What's up guys? Welcome back to our vlog. So for this vlog, di na tayo magpapatumbik-tumbik pa.
What?
We'll be playing Patintero. Girls versus boys.
Magpat na tayo mo. Kamay tayo ano.
Ay, mag-vote yan!
Nagagawa naman mo niya.
Kausa naman eh, oy!
Nagawa yung magkakayon, te!
Hindi ka may bumitaw kayo doon. Dahil libutan.
Basan di!
Lakman eh, ayong pagkuhan.
Dapat agad lapad-lapad.
Ito sa inyo, kay Gagko.
Okay, kare.
Ayaw! Patayo, di patayo. Mamay, naka-point. Dapat tayo sa best of one.
One eternity later.
And that's it. Girls won Patintero. And now we will be playing B-I-N-G-O Bingo!
Bingo! B-I-N-G-O. Bingo! Bingo! B-I-N-G-O. Bingo!
B-I-N-G-O, bingo!
Bingo!
B-I-N-G-O Bingo.
Bingo! B-I-N-G-O. Bingo yun.
Hindi pa na mga babae na pa. Ha? Ikaw pa?
Bingo! B-I-N-G-O. Bingo!
That's it, boys, on the game. Now we will be playing anak-anakan. So basically, guys, it's called Dak Panay. So we will be doing sikop.
One eternity later.
What?
Ang bayayang, makulo, mahayang.
And that's it, guys. So for standing 2-1, panalo ang boys sa laro kasi palagi naman silang panalo. Hot mo sila manggula, guys. Anyway, so that's it for our vlog for today. I hope you enjoyed our vlog. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and comment, and switch on the notification bell for more upcoming videos. And that's it. Bye! Mwah!
One.
Thank you.
Finalis. Basic.